In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list ended items on eBay. This is an invaluable skill for anyone looking to maximize their sales and ensure no potential profit goes untapped. Often, items we list might not sell within their initial time frame, but that doesn't mean they don't have a second chance. Let's walk through the straightforward steps to get those ended listings back in the game. First things first, head over to eBay's website by entering ebay.com in your browser's address bar. Once you're there, take a moment to log into your account. It's a good idea to have your login details handy to make this process swift. And if you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Just follow the instructions on the login page to recover it. After logging in, direct your attention to the top of the webpage where you'll find a tab labeled Sell. Clicking on this tab will open up a hub of tools dedicated to all your selling needs on eBay. This section is essentially your command center for managing your listings. Now within the Sell section, you'll want to locate and click on the Unsold tab. This is your gateway to all the items that so far haven't had any takers. Think of it as a way to review items that might have gone unnoticed by potential buyers during their initial listing. With the Unsold page open, you'll see a list of items that recently ended without a sale. Here's where the action takes place. Carefully go through your items to decide which ones you'd like to relist. Each item will have a box beside it. Simply check the box for any listing you wish to put back on the market. Once you've selected the items, look for the Relist button on the screen. Clicking on this will prompt eBay to create new listings for these items, giving them another shot at catching a buyer's eye. Remember, this might be a good time to review and update your item descriptions or pricing to make them more attractive to potential buyers. And that's a wrap. You've successfully navigated the process of giving your unsold items a new lease on life. An important tip before we wrap up: always keep an eye on your listing's performance. Sometimes a small tweak can lead to better visibility and sales. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this guide helpful and are now ready to make the most out of your eBay selling experience. Remember, persistence is key, and relisting is an essential part of refining your online sales strategy. If you've got any questions or tips of your own, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy selling!